Good morning. We are here in Klamath Falls, Oregon. There's our sign. Do a little walk down here and see Fred. You down here seeing Fred?
What?
Seeing Fred? These little red lights? The Amtrak people call them Fred for flashing rear emergency device.
Oh.
So, little tidbit.
Thanks.
You're welcome. And there's somebody in a plane missing all this great scenery. So, there's Fred. This is our car. Our train. Well, this is my car, the very last one. And we have 3 sleeper cars. Not sure how many. I mean, 3 coach cars, and I'm not sure how many sleeper cars they have. Okay, we're going to cross on the paved part here. My windows are right up there, very last set before the last set. A little brisk here this morning in Klamath Falls. I'm not sure what the temperature is, but it is definitely a little bit nippy. So here we are in Klamath Falls. So I'm going to cut this off.